Best Motorcycle 2026. What if a motorcycle was built with no intention of being gentle? No concern for comfort. Only a single obsession: winning on the track? This is the Aprilia RSV4 Factory 2026, and today we're stepping into the mindset of a machine designed for riders who live for lap times. Aprilia has always approached superbikes differently. While others chase brute power or luxury, Aprilia focuses on balance, chassis precision, aerodynamic stability, and relentless control. The RSV4 Factory is the purest expression of that philosophy. From the moment you see it, the bike feels intense. The compact bodywork, aggressive stance, and aerodynamic winglets are not decorative. They're tools. Every surface is shaped to keep the bike stable at extreme speeds. Climb onto the RSV4 Factory, and the riding position locks you into full race mode. Low clip-ons, high rear sets, and a narrow cockpit put the rider in a forward-leaning posture that demands commitment. This bike doesn't ask politely, it expects precision. Press the starter, and the V4 engine delivers a sound that's raw, sharp, and unmistakably Italian. Power builds aggressively across the rev range, delivering explosive acceleration that feels endlessly controllable. Throttle response is immediate, allowing the rider to make minute adjustments with confidence. On the track, the RSV4 Factory feels almost telepathic. Corner entry is razor sharp. The front end communicates every detail of grip and load. Mid-corner stability inspires confidence, while corner exit is controlled and precise, even at full throttle. For riders in the USA, this bike represents the ultimate track day weapon. In Europe, it continues Aprilia's legacy of dominating circuits with precision and finesse. Advanced electronics elevate the experience without diluting it. Traction control, wheelie control, slide control, and race-focused riding modes work seamlessly in the background. The bike feels like it's constantly supporting the rider, never interrupting. Despite its extreme focus, the RSV4 Factory remains surprisingly refined. The balance between engine, chassis, and electronics creates a sense of harmony that few superbikes can match. This is not a motorcycle designed for casual riding. It's built for riders who chase perfection. For those who analyze every corner. For those who see racing as a craft. So, is the Aprilia RSV4 Factory 2026 the ultimate track-focused Italian beast? If beast means precision, control, and uncompromising performance, then absolutely. Aprilia proves that the fastest motorcycles aren't always the loudest. They're the ones that think, react, and perform with surgical accuracy. Because when racing DNA runs this deep, every ride becomes a lap worth remembering.